cold pyramid lake here just after all those rains. It's like 34 degrees. Only 4 or 5 boats out there though, so the water I looked is like chocolate milk, so it's gonna be interesting. That's how it was at the lagoon last time I went. We didn't catch anything, but hey, we're giving it a shot here at Pyramid. Kind of gonna fish for everything. Obviously did really well with the striper with Joe. Might troll. I'd love to catch some smallmouth, whatever. Hey, how about a trifecta? But okay, let's see what we can do, guys. See you out there. Yes! Finally. Yes! That'll be my first pyramid smallmouth if I land. First pyramid smallie. Let's go! Let's go, guys! Heck yeah! Oh, look at how freaking beautiful that is. Oh, it's awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Oh, dude. A little small action. Oh, it's a chunky one. Alright, first pyramid smallie. I'm so freaking stoked on that. I was kind of just throwing so much stuff today, like spinner baits and just everything I had, and I did some trolling earlier, but I just finally broke down, bust out the drop shot. Haven't thrown it all day. I'm literally third cast with my little swim bait setup, which I've been catching everything on this winter. Largemouth and all the spotted spotties and the calico, and now a smallie for pyramid, first pyramid smallie, so I'm stoked. So I'm gonna keep out of here. I'm gonna start throwing this bait a little bit more, see if we can catch a few more. Another goon trip, free Frontal. Literally only have 2 hours, so hopefully you see this. That means I caught something. But it's nice out. No wind, super cool, overcast. The water is still milk chocolate, super, super murky. So I'm gonna throw a little chatterbait, a couple other things, something different than the usual. So we'll see if we can get some bites on it. All right, guys, see you out there. Little squirrel, bright chartreuse. Got a little dash shad from Fin Baits. Top water, middle of winter. Why not? square ball. It's a nice one. Nice fish. Yes! Oh, baby. Jello square ball. Oh, winter fish there. Holy crap. Holy crap, it's a big one. Careful with this guy. All right. Square ball, baby. Right around structure. Whew, that square ball. Oh, yeah. Winter chunk. Oh, yeah. 3-6. Nice one. Hey, first largemouth of the year is a nice 3.5 plus. Sweetest rod, guys. It's a glass. Just a medium cranking rod, a Zodius. Perfect for these medium divers to square bills. They just, the parabolic bend in it is so awesome. It just keeps them pinned. Those treble hooks. But we got a little chartreuse square ball right there. All right, guys, I needed that one. That's the first largemouth of the year. Got skunk lost in my hair. Obviously, just decided to come shallow this time. Just fish around structure. Classic little square bill, little chartreuse. So murky, and smashed it. So I'm gonna keep fishing over here for now. See what happens. Nice one. Just over 19, almost 4 pounds. What's up? Got these guys with me for a little session here. Did good here last time. It's a little misty. It's nice though, actually. I love it like this. This is when the fishing is good, right?
Decent one. Evan, net him. Please net him, Evan. Evan, please. It's right there. Evan, please. Right there. This is not. Oh, here it is. Where's the net? Where's the net? Where is the net?
Let's work him a little bit. Keep bringing him up. It's a good one. Yes. Let some drag. Let some line out.
Get it.
Lift up. Yeah. Okay. Very nice.
Some water.
It's a good one. Put it in the water. Keep that going.
That's not.
This big net's cool because I can keep them in the water.
That's about like 1 pound, right?
No, it's like 2 something. All right. It's a real nice bass right there. Nice little hooker.
Okay, guys, I got my first fish. That's gonna be kind of tough to unhook.
All right, Luke. It's a nice one.
What's up, Cam? One. I got the first fish of the day, so, you know, he's a chill guy.
Come to me. want to throw him a
Hey
level?
guys, he's not really wiggling too well. He's just a chill guy, you know?
My soup is not your pillow.
Ah!
My finger, no.
I knew it. Yeah, I was like, my line was way in the back. I'm like, that's just a little guy though. He swam off with it. It's pretty funny.
Let me see him.
He's a little dude on the boat.
Show me.
Little dude. Little guy.